Hey everyone, my name is Marcella Dominguez and I want to welcome you back to another video. If you haven't subscribed already, make sure that you hit the red button down below and you give me a thumbs up. I want you to be notified of when I release more videos just like this one. Today we're going to be talking about these awesome white diffuser sound panels by Troy, which you can find on Amazon. Link is below. Now, if you're looking for something to make your acoustics a little bit better, let's say that you have a lot of echo, let's say that your room size is not right, and you just need the right solution to help you sound better when you're making videos or when you're doing podcasts. Or let's just face it, let's say you're creating music. Well, then you want something that's gonna be of amazing quality. Creating videos is difficult enough already, then trying to figure out if you have the right sound, making sure that you look okay, and then add in thinking of what to say during your video. Well, this video is going to be specifically about the Troy Studio sound diffuser panels that you see right behind me. How do I improve the visual quality and the sound quality of my videos? So how does that look? Do you like this version better? Anyway, my point is that you can change the configuration of these however you like best. So if you like them horizontally and then vertically, or you like them stacked in a different way, then they are so easy to move. It's not like you have to poke nails in the wall. Oh, and I did try thumbtacks, but thumbtacks didn't work. So I'm just giving you a heads up. I'm also gonna link some tapes that might work for you depending on what kind of wall or fabric you have. I'm gonna link it below to see what the best option is to give you options. So tell me in the comments down below what it is that you would like to see in upcoming videos. Are you interested in improving the visual quality or the audio quality of your videos? I know that everybody's needs are completely different. If you've watched some of my other videos, you know that I've said that most of the time you're not really interested in how to improve the audio quality. You're thinking that your phone might work. And it's so true, because at the beginning everybody says, oh, you need this equipment, you need this equipment. Then there's other people that say you don't need anything except your iPhone. I started with just my iPhone, but as I started to grow my business, I thought, you know what, I want to experiment with other tools. So if I'm gonna experiment with other tools, I might as well share my journey with other people in reviewing these products, because they're probably gonna wanna know too. And I know that I'm not alone when I say that I'm trying to grow my business, because you're probably trying to grow your business, especially during these times. So I just want to put this video out there for you to show you what these Troy Studio sound diffuser panels can do. Maybe they'll be great for you and maybe they won't work, but I'm gonna link them down below just in case, because I want you to see what options are out there. Because to be honest with you, I had no idea that sound diffusers might be important to me and my growing business. So if this video helped you, or you had no idea what sound diffuser panels were and you still have no idea whether they're going to be good for you, then make sure that you drop that in the comments below and let me know which way you liked these stacked. Do you like configurations that are horizontal, or do you like them vertical? Also, what kind of room do you have? Tell me down below where you record. Do you record your podcast audio in a closet? Do you record videos for YouTube? Why are you interested in sound diffuser panels? Let me know in the comments below. And if you haven't subscribed, make sure you do so already, and check out my video on the GVM RGB light, which I am also using in this video, which I love. Until next time, check out coachforcreatives.com.